Hi, this is Vincent from Marbella. We are going to do two tests with our lovely Kangen water today and see two levels of contamination of your water. One is acidity, or perhaps not so acidity, alkaline levels, and the other one is called OPR, which is Oxidation Potential Repression. That is, to reduce the free radicals in your bloodstream and at the same time have a larger flow of red blood cells, which will help you to live happy. So we will do two things. We will fill our glasses here with, this is Kangen water, this is Evian from France, quite expensive. I think it was over €1. Water from Galicia. They're all mineral waters. This is Lanjaron, Andalusian mineral water. This is Solán de Cabras, Central Spanish mineral water. We have Agua Asola, which is a lovely water from the Basque Country. And last we use Sprite, which is obviously not a mineral water. It is what is called a soft drink. And see if there is any difference between all these liquids. Because usually we say, well, they're apart from bubbly or not, we consider that they're all the same. Now we have here a little gadget which it shows the electricity of each of the water molecules, because they tend to have electricity, would you believe it or not? And this is a scale which goes from about plus 500 to minus 400. The lower the better for your health, because that shows that there is a higher level of oxidation repression potential. Let's see and start with, say, the center, Solán de Cabras. We move this around on the glass a little. And the reading comes to 76, 78, 80 positives. And I'll just give you a brief reading. Then we go to another one. Put this off again and switch it on, and we try, say, Agua de Asola. We move it a little, leave it in the water, and see what happens. Nothing happens because it is switched off. Well, again, we have a reading here, which is 113. Again, in the positive level. Now, you would think, why should we not try the French water? Go for Evian, which is right here. I mean, this should be really nice. This should have a negative value. And no, it's 129, 39, 140, increasing still. 135. Ladies and gentlemen, that is what you get out of your oxidation potential. Now we do something and see what our Sprite says. into this water. And here we see what it is all about. We already reached 250, 252, increasing. Because these machines are very sensitive, and when you move them, it tends to give them a better reading. We are now at 148, 248 I mean. So that shows you that Sprite is tremendously acidic. Something you really should be careful about, because the higher levels of OPR, the less likely it is that they will try to fight off your free radicals. Now we do a last test with Kangen water, which is, we hope, will give a completely different reading. Now sometimes it doesn't work, but we are already at 322 negative. That is 500 points different between the Sprite water and this. Amazing, isn't it? This is 350 negatives, and we can still move this a little, and we probably get an even higher reading. 406 now. If we wait a little while, we would probably even get a larger reading, but 353 negative is a vast difference between what we usually have and what you can get here. So it is a good reason to consider perhaps changing our drinking habits. Thank you very much, and have a lovely afternoon. Bye-bye.